Alstroemeria, an explosion of color and exceptional quality, carefully cultivated at Rainforest Farms. It all starts with rhizome division, ensuring strong and healthy plants. With the right lighting and precise nutrition, Alstroemeria grows strong and vibrant. Constant monitoring ensures the highest flower quality and production. Harvesting is done by hand, gently pulling the stem to encourage new growth. This is how Rainforest Farms Alstroemeria reaches its destination with unmatched freshness and quality.